Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll explore how to use Notion for study revision. This guide will prepare you for 2025 and beyond. First, you'll want to set up a new page in Notion for each subject you're studying. This helps us because it keeps your study materials organized and easy to find. Now, inside each page, create a table to structure your revision notes. The reason we do this is to have a clear visual of all the topics and subtopics. Each row can represent a different topic, and columns can include details like keywords, important points, and dates for revision. Next up, make use of Notion's toggle feature. This is a great way to hide and reveal information, perfect for self-testing. You can write a question or keyword on the toggle title and the detailed answer or explanation underneath. This helps us because it turns your notes into an interactive study tool. Now that we've done that, let's use the reminder feature. Add a reminder to each topic row for when you plan to revise it. This matters because it ensures you won't forget to revisit important material. Notion will notify you when it's time to review a topic. Finally, utilize the tags for each topic. You can create tags like difficult, need to revise, completed, etc. The reason we do this is to have a quick overview of your progress and what needs more focus. That's it. You've now set up your Notion for efficient study revision. Remember, the key here is consistency in updating and revising your notes. With Notion, your study revision could become more organized, interactive, and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy studying.